Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming plugin and file compatibility. Make sure the latest Vocalo Changer build and any required plugins are installed. Next, load your dry vocal into the project and set the session sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz so processing stays stable. Once done, choose a target voice preset or import a short reference file to guide timbre and format mapping. This first step primes the engine so edits later are precise and predictable. Now you refine the transformation. You'll tweak pitch shift, formant, and vibrato depth to match the target character while listening for unnatural artifacts. While you work, engage spectral smoothing and transient preservation to retain consonant clarity. This prevents the throatiness that ruins realism. Then route the processed output to an auxiliary bus for corrective EQ, gentle compression, and a de-esser. Because proper dynamics and sibilance control, let the changed voice sit naturally in the mix. To finish, render the vocal as a high-quality WAV or 24-bit file and place it into your final mix to confirm timing and interaction with other tracks. Make sure you check phase and consonant clarity in context, and adjust the vocal lane gain so it blends. If you encounter artifacts or metallic grain, reduce the change strength, lower formant correction slightly, or apply surgical EQ and local resynthesis to problematic ranges. This single troubleshooting move solves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.